Hey everyone, Josh here, and this is a Scrap Life burger. We're going to need half a kilogram of mince, some salt and pepper and flour, some mixed herbs, some cheese, an egg, an onion, and a carrot. So now I'm going to chop the onion up. You want to slice half of it and finally chop the other half. I'm going to grate the carrot and grate some cheese into it. Alright, here we go. Egg. Couple of pinches of that. Salt. Pepper. We grate some cheese in here now. Now I'm going to fry off these chopped onions just to give them that extra flavor. Alright, now it's time to make these patties. You want to mix all this up with your hands and put them in some flour. Here we go. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to brown off these sliced onions. I'm going to throw some bacon on as well. Alright, now I'm going to make up some patties. Alright, now I'm going to move this bacon and onion over to another pan, just so I can have my good pan for the patties. Alright, now it's time to flip these patties. They've been on for a few minutes. Alright, maybe they're a little bit burnt there, but that won't matter. Add a bit of flavour. The bacon and onions coming along good. Now you just want to cook that off for a few more minutes and almost ready to go. Alright, now I'm just going to top these patties off with a little bit of cheese. Right, now I'm going to cut these buns in half through the center. toaster. Right, so there we have it. We got some tomato, beetroot, pineapple, lettuce, some barbecue sauce. Here's the patties. Here's the bacon and onion. Right, just waiting for the buns to cook and I'll put one together. A little bit of butter. Alright, let's build one of these babies up. I always go the patty first and break it up a bit. Now some bacon. I'll go a bit of onion. Now some barbecue sauce. Bit of the pineapple. Bit of beetroot. Some tomato. A bit of lettuce. And there we have it. You can serve it up with a Coke, or you could serve it up with an ice cold beer. Anyway, there's my burger. It's a family favorite and I try and do it every weekend. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you on the next one.